This is a 1911 Westinghouse double lever oscillating fan. This is a 12-inch fan. This was Westinghouse's first attempt at a gear-driven oscillation. In 1909, they released a wind-driven oscillation from the breeze from the blades called the vane. But by 1911, there's a trend of using gearbox-style oscillators, which is what we see today. And this is Westinghouse's first attempt at that. This is a souped-up version of a Westinghouse tank motor. It uses the tank motor style base and motor winding and centrifugal start castings, but it has a oscillator obviously attached to the back. Here's what that looks like, and this is why we call it a double lever, because you see these two levers down there. Obviously it's got standard Westinghouse brass blade and cage here, like all the tank fans do. And it's got this solid style banner, not the cutout. The cutout certainly was last used in 1909 and maybe in the beginning of 1910. Certainly by the middle of 1910 and probably and definitely 1911 was the solid style badge that was used up until about 1916. This fan is all original, except from the wiring. The paint has not been touched up, just cleaned. You can still see remnants of the original shine on the brass. The blades were highly polished, and the cage had a gilt-like finish. In the catalogs, it was known as dipped. It was a dipped coating, but that coating seems to be, we'll look at it closely, a gilt-like finish. Here's the tag on it, pardon dust. The paint's very beautiful. Beautiful fan. So now we'll fire it up on the high speed. Fan is centrifugal start. And that little rattle is the rattling of that centrifugal start switch. And it's on oscillation. Blowing around the curtains in here. Runs very, very well. I'll move it down to a low speed here. Good difference between the speeds. These Westinghouse slide switches have 4 positions, but the middle 2, 3 and 2, are bridged. So theoretically you could put a medium speed in here, but Westinghouse didn't do that. That's how it's always been. There's only one 3-speed style tank. It's very rare. We'll fire it off here. Fan has good bearings. It was recently lubricated. That metal sound if the start switch is disengaging. Alright, thank you.